Welcome back, ladies. Today I am going to share with you how I do my twist method. Yes, ladies, this is my twist method that I use with my clients who have thin hair, alopecia, fragile hair, damaged edges, and the hair is already fragile. And I want to make sure that I'm reducing as much tension, pulling, and stress on their natural hair as possible when I am doing my protective styles. So as you can see here, I start off with a 3-strand, which is a regular braid. I start off doing a regular braid, and then I go right into the 2-strand twist. Yes, I am twisting her edges going down and not back. When you have someone who has thin hair, alopecia, fragile hair, damaged edges, you do not want to braid their braids going straight to the back. That is going to cause more tension, more pulling, and more stress on those edges. So here I have created my own twist method, and I am doing that on her hair again to reduce that pulling. As you can see here, I started twisting down, and then I started going toward the back. This is going to be the most healthiest for her hair and for the style that she's going to be getting. So again, I start off with the 3-strand, which is a regular braid. I go into my 2-strand twist method, and then I end with the 3-strand braid, which is the regular braid. And that is to ensure that the twist does not come down. I want this pattern to stay up throughout the whole duration that she is wearing this style. So I want to make sure that it is as secure as possible. So I secure it by again doing the regular braid or the regular 3-strand braid at the end. And as you can see, that's what I'm doing here. Ladies and stylists, this is what we want to do to save the hair that our clients have. We do not want to cause additional stress and pulling. So as you can see here, this is a twist. It's very loose. However, it's very secure, and it's also still stable and sturdy to last throughout the duration of this style. I love this new twist method that I've come up with. My clients love it. Again, it reduces any pulling, any tightness that's on those edges, and that's what we want to do. We want to wear these protective styles, crochet braids, sew-in hair weaves, and we want to do all these styles without using glue, but we must first have a healthy braid pattern. And again, this is the most healthiest. It's not a braid pattern, it's a twist pattern. Yes, ladies, if you have not tried it, try it yourself. This is an easy DIY, or share with your stylist so your stylist can try it as well. Again, I end with that 3-strand. I start with the 3-strand, I go right into the twist method, and then I end with the 3 braid. Look how this looks. It came out absolutely gorgeous. Again, it's nice and durable. It's not too tight, and it relieves all the tension, pulling, and stress. If you haven't tried it, try it. I guarantee you'll love it, and so will your clients.